Description: conditioner for chemically treated hair repairs and helps brighten blonde hair with KerActive protein. Benefits: color safe, gluten-free, paraben-free. Suggested use: cleanse with Forever Blonde Shampoo. Apply a small amount to clean, damp hair. Rinse. Style as desired. How to care for chemically treated hair. Repair and brighten blonde and highlighted tones with keratin-infused haircare products. Paul Mitchell Forever Blonde Shampoo. 1. Gently cleanse lightened and highlighted hair with this sulfate-free, without SLS, SLES, ALS, shampoo. Paul Mitchell Forever Blonde Conditioner. 2. Follow with this keratin conditioner to deeply hydrate and detangle while helping to repair damage. Paul Mitchell Forever Blonde Dramatic Repair. 3. Generously mist onto damp hair, from ends to roots, to strengthen and seal the cuticle. Top reviews from the United States. Totally buy it again and again. I love the way this feels in my hair. So soft and silky.